Hi all. Today's video we will focus on the linked list. The linked list is a very important data structures in algorithm. So I will tell you how the linked list is working and why the linked list we implemented. For example, you already know in the case of array, we have the list of array. It will definitely need a continuous spaces, right? And before we declare in the C and C++, before we need to implement, we need to declare this much of size is needed for that particular array. So after that, it will not exist, right? So that is the one drawback of array. So overcome this drawback, we implement the linked list. For the linked list, there is a value column plus address column. This address column is pointing to the next address of the next block. So the application means where in anywhere of the memory we can store the data. There is no limitation, but you need to point where the data is located. That address need to specify in that particular node. That is the only one condition. And linked list is singly linked list, doubly linked list. That means the next element and the previous element address also pointing to the linked list. So that is the doubly linked list. And circular linked list, it is pointing to the circular manner. That are the main three kind of linked lists are available right now. We are implemented. And the linked list, if we insert the array in the first of the list, it will not require much time, right? That is bigger of 1. That means pointing to the first. So if n number of in any spaces we need to require some kind of space, that means that cases the worst case time complexity will be bigger of n and the best case will be bigger of 1, and the linked list will not require much spaces. So that means the space complexity also bigger of 1. And yeah, this a lot of application in the linked list. We need to figure it out, and we will definitely implement in the next videos. Okay.